Hi guys, welcome to another video. Like I said in the previous one, I'll show you guys how to repair the pads. These seem better days, as you can see. We'll replace them with this in here. The Lux Grey, so it's the exact color. Unlike the one I did before, my blue ones were slightly off color, but this one should be the same color. I'll put a link in the description where I got these from, as you can see. Yeah, same color. So what we're going to do, we'll take these off, stick it with double-sided tape. But the main thing is, when you leave it for about, the other ones I left for about a day on a stack of books, so get yourself some books, and it pushes on, so these stick together and stay stuck. So yeah, we'll give it a go. Right, so everything's going to come off, including this hard plastic bit here. Just try not to damage it. Yeah, so the glue they've used is really tough, so let's take this off. You can see, it comes off. Yeah, just a tape. This is double-sided tape they've used. So what we'll do, there's two holes in here, and two little pins, plastic pins, that will go into these holes. So you just line it up, put it on, take double-sided tape off, and it should line up. But there might be one that's slightly different. Let's see. Oh, they've even given you a tool, which I didn't check. They're giving you a tool to actually prise it out without damaging it. Well, we've got a way of using the screwdriver, but yeah, use a tool. Oh, that's it. So that's in there. It's the card. Yeah. So with my other one, the blue one that I changed, one of them was different. So I don't think it was the same. But yeah, these will fit. So we'll do the same on this side. And then, yeah, do the same on this side. Nothing stuck down on it. So do the same, then we'll stick it down. Yeah, plastic broke. Go use a screwdriver. That's what broke off. That's a bit tool, no good. got to scrape off the rest of this double-sided tape. Right, so now we've got it all cleaned. We'll add the pen to it. Make sure to line up the holes. Yep. Push it down. Do the same on the other side. The same again, make sure you line up the holes. Line it up, yep. Like so, I'm going to leave it, say for about, I'll leave it for a day, or to this time tomorrow. I'm going to set some books. That's our old one. This is what it looks like now. Right, this is what I was talking about, if you get some books. Like so. I'll turn it this way. You get your headphones. Leave it like that. So you get the pressure on it. So it keeps the pressure on there. I said leave that for, I'll leave that for a day. 12 hours if you want. But I'll leave it for a day. I'll come back this time tomorrow. And that'll make sure that these pads are stuck down properly. And it's as good as new. There you go. Yeah. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.